Folks, you know what time it is? It's time to make that legal call.
Ooh.
Yes. I'm going to present you with some facts, and you tell me case or no case. All right? Brand new feature on the MJ Morning Show.
So this isn't like you be the judge, because that would already be a case.
Exactly. This is case or no case. I'm going to give you the fact pattern here, and you tell me if the individual has a viable legal case. Hey, listen, maybe there's some attorneys listening. You'd like to weigh in on this. All right, so if any attorneys are listening right now, hey, you're welcome to call in. Once you hear the details of the situation, you tell me case or no case. Let me give the attorneys the phone number, 800-990-1047. So if you're an attorney and you'd like to weigh in on this, 800-990-1047. Here's the deal, and it's a little gruesome. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit.
Okay.
What are you laughing at?
I mean, you say it's a little gruesome. Hold on.
Woman sues aviation company after witnessing an airline worker on the ground getting sucked into the engine.
Oh. Ooh.
Yeah, this is so case or no case. So this woman is claiming all kinds of mental anguish. The plane is pulling into the gate at the San Antonio, Texas airport, and this dude right into the jet engine.
We covered that story? We talked about that when it actually happened, right?
I think we talked about a case in Alabama. There was another case in Alabama. This happens a little more frequently than you'd imagine. This is weird. A woman has filed a lawsuit after witnessing a man being ingested into the engine of a jet at San Antonio International Airport. This is not too long ago. June 23rd, Mackenzie Hill was returning home to San Antonio. She flew to Los Angeles. According to the lawsuit, she had just graduated from a 2-year program, some type of a religious program, women in ministry. And as a graduation gift, she treated herself to a trip to Disneyland and then flew home. As the plane made its way to the gate, she noticed a man coming uncomfortably close to the plane on the ground. As the man closely approached the massive jet, she witnessed the man suddenly get ingested into the jet engine.
Okay, the first part of what you just read,
Yeah.
She watched him come unnaturally close or too close or something like that?
Dangerously close. Uncomfortably close is what I said, yes.
So it sounds like he may have been, God bless him, but he may have been the one who made the mistake. So why is she suing
there's more to the story here. Let me get it all out.
Okay.
So it turns out they ruled the airport worker's death a suicide. So suicide by jet engine.
That would be the last.
I don't know about the last.
So I'm gonna spare you the details on what this woman allegedly saw at the airport, but
it's got to be like putting a tomato in a blender. I mean,
the flight crew immediately got on the PA system and told all passengers, "Shut your window shades." Everyone shut your... So they're on the PA system. Shut your window shades.
Okay.
So everyone, shut their window shades. And, well, some of the other details have come out that the worker reportedly handed a suicide note to his supervisor before this happened. In addition, made prior outbursts at his job. Apparently, he suffered from substance abuse problems.
Okay, so the guy's unstable.
He had possible criminal charges pending, according to the report. So, this worker had issues. But, I mean, what a way to go that you want to check out and you throw yourself into a jet engine as a jet is arriving and pulling into the gate. That's unbelievable. So here's the deal. Let me tell you what this woman is seeking.
Yes.
This woman in her lawsuit, the passenger that looked out the window and saw this terrible thing happen, she is now seeking a jury trial to award damages in the following areas: mental anguish. Physical impairment in the past. I'm not quite sure what the hell that means. Loss of wage earning capacity, both future and present. DTPA treble damages. Treble damage, yeah. Reasonable and necessary medical expenses, both past and future, and then attorney's fees. All right, so, ladies and gentlemen, I want to go around the room here with our novices on the law, Roxanne, Fester, and Froggy, and the question is, case or no case? She's just sitting on a plane and some deranged airport ramp worker throws himself into the jet engine and she's witnessing what happened, the gruesome after effects.
All right.
So, Fester.
Yes.
Does this woman have a case against the airport, the airline, everybody? Does she have a case for just happening to be looking out her window when this guy did this on the ramp at the airport? Yes or no?
I have a very extensive legal history, both being sued several times.
What have you been sued for?
Illegal dumping.
Hold on. What have you been sued for? You've never been sued.
I've watched every episode of L.A. Law.
All right, answer my case or no case. Does this woman have a case for essentially mental anguish and severe emotional distress? Yes or no?
I think she has a case.
All right, Roxanne, do you think she has a case?
Someone will take her case, but I would have to see the note to make that judgment. If the note said, I'm going to go to the jet engine and do it, then maybe she has a case. But if it was unspecific, no case.
Froggy, case or no case?
No case.
And why do you say that?
Well, you have to be like me. You have to desensitize yourself to things like this. Like horriblevideos.com, one of my favorite sites.
Wait a minute. There's no website called Horrible Videos.
Yeah, there is, and you don't want to go to it because there are really nothing but horrible videos.
No, there is. Dude, you're telling me there's really a website called horriblevideos.com?
Every day. You got to desensitize yourself so you can handle yourself in these situations.
Fester, you spelled horrible wrong.
You spelled it like phonetically horrible. H-A.
It might not come up in here. It's a pretty brutal site.
Horrible. Dude, there's no website called Horrible. Oh, it's blocked.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah.
it just came up. This site has been blocked by your network administrator. Reason, violence, hate, racism. Yeah, well, holy crap, really?
Sounds like
Bring it up on your phone.
Sounds like a great page to have as your favorite, Froggy.
How is it every day you tell us about some new YouTube streaming channel or...
I'm on it, man. I'm on the tip, as the kids say. No cap here.
You're on the tip?
That means I'm not lying.
As the kids say?
Not capping.
Boy.